Hi, my name is Jorge, and I'm part of the growth team at Flourish FI. Thanks for joining me for this short demo. At Flourish, we license our white label technology platform to financial institutions to boost user engagement, loyalty, and profitability, all through the power of behavioral science and gamification. We currently operate in the US, Brazil, Mexico, and several other countries across Latin America, working with banks, fintechs, and microfinance institutions. Our platform helps institutions improve key business metrics such as increasing on-time payment and reducing default rates, driving card activation and transactions, growing deposits and savings balances, and overall promoting digital adoption. So how does our platform work? We embed our technology directly into the institution's existing module app through a lightweight SDK. This allows to appear as a button, banner, or menu item, fully customized to match the institution's brand identity. The end user never sees Flourish. They only see a seamless loyalty and rewards experience inside the institution's app. The heart of our platform is missions. These are goal-based nudges designed around the institution's KPIs. For example, making a payment on time, using a card, making a deposit, or completing a financial education module. Once users complete a mission, they earn rewards, which can be gifted as gift cards, cashback, or product-related benefits. We offer two core engagement modules. Earn and Play is the first one, where users can earn points by completing missions, which they can redeem for chance to win in games like Wins, Spin the Wheel, Scratch Cards, or Magic Tiles. It's a fun way to drive repeat behavior. And we also have campaigns, which are time-bound sets of missions typically to be completed in 2 or 4 weeks that guarantee a reward once completed. Campaigns can be segmented by user type. So now let me show you how our solution looks when embedded in the app of Banco Sol, one of our long-standing clients and the leading bank in Bolivia by number of users. With Banco Sol, we've achieved outstanding results. For example, a 55% increase in savings balances and a 29% increase in in-app transactions. This is the screen that users see when they tap the Ganasol button from the bank's main app. Ganasol is the name of Banco Sol that Banco Sol chose for this gamified experience, and it's become a well-known brand among their users. Here in missions, users can see the things that they can complete and be rewarded for, like paying bills in a row, making loan payments on time, or increasing their account's balance. This has been configured together with the financial institutions, of course, and each completed mission earns them points. Those points can be redeemed in mini games like Spin the Wheel or Scratch and Win in this case. Let's play one so you can see how it works. In this case, I'm playing Spin the Wheel. Let's see. Of course, this with Banco Sol is focused on cashback. But in this case, I have won like 25 extra points, but I could have won like a cashback that would be deposited into my account in the next hours. This is a fun and simple experience that has driven strong engagement and repeated usage while helping Banco Sol advance financial inclusion in the country. Well, that's the demo. We did an overview on the product, and we've seen how we are embedded into an existing client. So thank you for watching, and please let me know if you would like to take a deeper dive or a custom walkthrough of our platform. Thank you.